This camera at the top is a 48 megapixel wide sensor. It has an f1.8 aperture. This camera in the middle is a 48 megapixel ultra wide sensor. It has an f2.2 aperture. The camera at the bottom is an 8 megapixel telephoto sensor. It has an f2.4 aperture. This camera to the left of the module, as shown, is a 5 megapixel depth sensor. At 4510 mAh, this phone has quite a big battery. It could easily get you through about a day of usage. This phone has a super fluid 6.78-inch AMOLED display, which refreshes at 120 Hz. This means that this phone's screen refreshes 120 times every second. That's double the speed of the latest iPhone. A couple more great things about this phone are its IP68 water and dust resistance, which means it can be submerged in water 1.5 meters deep for up to 30 minutes, and that this phone's screen is coated in the latest version of Corning's Gorilla Glass 6. This phone's selfie camera is a 16 megapixel wide sensor. Hey Google, what do you think of the OnePlus 8 Pro? Do you think people should subscribe to Tech Guru 24? Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed creating it. If you would like to see more videos of this kind, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. I would really appreciate it. Also, don't forget to like and share. This is Tech Guru 24, and I'll catch you in the next one.